Hello and welcome to our channel, Loving Handcrafts by BMW. Well, we are getting down to the wire. Alright, we're on day 21. Oh, and it's a big one. Move that up a little. So I don't know what's going to be in here. No, I'm sorry, that's day 22. I'm at day 21. I was trying to skip a day. Oh, I'm glad I looked at that because there's day 20 over there. You don't want to do that. Don't jump ahead. Oh, I don't know what this is going to be. This is small. Best wishes. For real? It's a... Oh, I haven't seen one of those in a while. Best wishes. Okay, I don't know. Got nothing for you guys. Got nothing. It is a die cut. Got nothing. I think I got something. Something sparking, but I got really nothing. None. Alright. It's 2 die cuts. Best wishes. Okay. Did I clean myself up? Clean this stuff up? I did. Oh, let me grab my tags. Well, you know what? Sometimes simple is good. Simple is good. Let's just keep it simple. It doesn't have to be overly complicated. There we go. Best wishes. Now I get to use this tag I've been wanting to use. Now the question is, what do I have? You know? There you go. How about reusing this? I'm on a metallic kick. Yeah, let's do that. That's as simple as it's going to be. It's not going to be anything complicated today. We're not going to complicate it. And I may even have my heat gun out just in case I had to do some more heat embossing, because I'm really having fun with that. I forgot how much I love doing that. Let's move this up away. Let's cut this up. Oh, I think this is going to be quick. This is going to be quick. I'm not making it very complicated. Yeah, wow. I can't believe how quick this is going to go. I didn't even have to pause and gather any supplies. I had it right here. What else do I got in here? I got this. I'm going to do a couple of them since it's going to be so quick. What else do I have? I have that. I'm going to cut out a few. Yeah. Don't need a snowman. That would even be nice on that. Could I even fit that on there? A different orientation? Okay, but we're going to try these. I got 3 of these. I'm going to cut all 3 of them out. And then I'll stick them in my little thingy dot. My little catch-all. That way. But I'm going to... This is the idea, to use this here. Since I have short paper, I don't have I didn't cut a lot. I'm going to just tape it down with cement tape. And then I'm going to grab some white too. Some white cardstock and do it in white. So that's going to be really quick. Oh my god, that didn't take any thought. Just, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let me use a pokey tool. Oh, that's going to be really lovely on that. The reason I'm going to cut white, some out in white, is I'm going to, well, I should have grabbed some of that. I'm going to turn it into, like, make it thicker. best wishes. That's really sweet. Don't need anything else. Let me grab some white while I'm thinking about it. And let me, I will have to be, I'll be right back. I'm going to show you what my thought process is. Okay, so I've got me some double-sided adhesive. Got me some white cardstock. I'm going to turn that so I can pop this up. So if you do it a couple of times, it'll be a lot easier than gluing. Okay, don't jack that up, Brenda. Okay. So I'm gonna take that off. Probably should have not done the whole thing, but we'll make it work. Keep it this way. We will make it work. There we go. I'm not the best at cutting, but it's on there. So I'm going to do a couple of these, like maybe 2 of these, so I can stack them up and add it to this. I should have did this too with that, but I didn't as a sticker. But we'll make it work. Okay. Well, you guys need to stay together and stop moving. If you pick it up just right, you can kind of just hold it down with the plate. It keeps moving on me, but I got it. I got it. No, either I'm tired or this was too easy. Oh no, stay on there. Came up. Oh, I probably should have ran it through again. Just make sure it just comes out. Come on out now. Don't fuss. Oh, really? Really? Is this how you're gonna play me? The E is acting funny. But I think I got it. I think I got it now. It's coming loose. I don't want it to, it's coming off before I want it to. I don't know what the heck. Like did I put it on the wrong side? Oh yeah, the release paper just came off, that's all. And it's backwards. Okay, it's backwards, y'all. Okay, let me just put that to the side till I cut out another one. Yeah, it didn't cut all the way through, but it's okay. It's okay. All right. Make sure I go all the way through. This is pretty thick paper. Sometimes it's quicker to glue it, just cut it out and glue it, but you know, it's got to be extra today. This is such a short and sweet little tag. So that's got the sticky part. So I'll just put it right on top of that. Get it lined up. Once you get it lined up, it should fall into place. There we go. Best out of there. Come on out of there. Oh, that's really nice. I like it in the white, actually. It looks cute in white, but I'm going to use this silver. Pops on that red card. But I'm committed now, so I'm going to use the silver. But that would be a viable option. That would be the viable option. So I didn't have to glue that down and mess with the glue. Yeah, that's sticking in there. That's the thing from the E, the inside of the E. It's hanging around. You're still hanging here? And do a good job of putting them together. Get out of there. Get out of it. Alright. Alright, I think that's good. Oh Lord. Did I lose something already? That was the... Did I lose the silver? You guys are watching me, right? Did I lose it? It's like a mystery. This is what the trays are supposed to prevent you losing stuff. I have lost... Oh, there it is. You still manage to lose things on your desk. It's a universal truth. That what can be lost, but you... There we go. Okay, let me get the glue. Alright, let me move that out. You can use that. Get this out the way. Bink, bink, bink. Trash on that. Boop, 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 boop. I'll cut out more. I don't feel like cutting out anymore now. Glue. I really don't. I think that just... I was ambitious. But it is pretty. I like the script. Let's get the best sorted. That really did pop that up really good. It's like a bad penny. Every time I turn around, it's still here. Even with the white outline, kind of like you can kind of see the white, I think it still looks darling. A little bit of glue, 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 dots. Try not to keep the glue from oozing. I think my glue gun has a permanent home now. Even with the white showing, I'm still liking it. And I like a little offset there. It's a little bit too much white showing, but that'll work. Do, 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 do. Sometimes simple is best. That's what we're going to do with this one. And all we got to do now is to glue this bad boy onto that stamp. Oh, yeah, well, let's just pick a spot. Well, pick a spot. No rhyme or reason, just picking a spot. And we're going to keep that roll simple because I think the background is doing the heavy lifting on this one. It's doing the bulk of the work. And there we go. Oh, that's really charming. I think that's charming. I like this one too. I'm liking all of them. I'm really liking all of them. Let me get this tape off of here. Let that sit up for a second or two. It's like glue. They're all cleaned out except for that one. Stubborn, stubborn. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. I love it. Best wishes. I like it. It would be even better if it had an explanation point. So that's that for that one. This is the quickest tag I've done this series because it doesn't require much. The background and then the sparkly papers doing the heavy lifting on all of this. So please like, subscribe, come back for the next day. I think I'm on day 22. Yes! 2 more days and it's going to be over. Oh my God. All right. I will catch you tomorrow on the next day. Have a good day, and we're getting closer and closer to Christmas. Take care, everybody. Hope you're getting excited.